Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Word can automatically apply simple bullets and numbering to lists in your documents as you type. You can also type a list, then select it, and then apply bullets or numbering to change the appearance of the bullets and numbers you use. To apply bullets to a list in Word as you type, start the bulleted list by typing an asterisk at the beginning of the first list item and then pressing the spacebar key on your keyboard. At that point, the asterisk turns into a bullet point. Then type the first line in your list. When you press the Enter key to move to the next line, it continues the bulleted list. To stop the bulleting, press the Enter key twice in a row after typing the last list item. Alternatively, to start a numbered list as you type an Arabic or Roman numeral, followed by either a period, dash, or parenthesis, followed by pressing the spacebar key. Pressing the spacebar key automatically converts the list into a numbered list. The numbering continues after pressing the Enter key to move to the next line. Once again, to stop the numbering, press the Enter key twice in a row after typing the last line item. Another common way to apply bullets or numbering is to start by first typing a list. Then click and drag over the line items in the list to select the text to set as a bulleted or numbered list. Next, click the Home tab in the ribbon. Then click either the Bullets or Numbering button in the Paragraph button group to apply the last bullet or numbering style used. Alternatively, note that you can also click the drop-down arrows next to either button and then select a desired format of bullets or numbering to apply from the drop-down menu of choices that appears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.